Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. And I warned in the morning that markets can be volatile. Usually monthly expiries will be volatile, but today the volatility was too much. Today from 10:30 to 12:30, it was remarkably stable market. Nifty was trading around 25,100 for nearly 2 hours. Then after 12:30, the game started. I tell you, from 12:30 to 2:30, at some point of time, I was having about 5 lakh rupees profit. I ended up with a 20 lakh rupees loss. And markets was so hugely volatile. Market going up and down is not an issue. But people, the traders, when they put a stop loss, the stop loss jumps. And today, 12:30, I think around that time, the Reliance Industries has announced in the AGM that there will be 1:1 bonus. No, suddenly market shot up. It was a sudden spike. Call stop losses, it did not hit, it jumped. And then what happened? Nifty went very close to 25,200. Then from there, suddenly it fell 200 points. Again, put stop loss did not hit, the stop losses jumped. And again, people sold call option. Again, from the low level, after breaking 25,000, it shot up nearly 200 points. Nifty can swing, 800, 900 points in a matter of 3 hours. Although, between the 200 point range, it was going so many times up and so many times down. The total swing may be 800 to 1,000 points. I think today most of the intraday players have lost. I don't do much intraday trade, but still today is my bad luck. And yesterday I had a positional trade. So I started doing some kind of an adjustments, so that is where I get into the loss. In fact, for the last few months, the intraday trade has been very, very difficult. I just left my positions as it is. I would have made much better profit. Yeah, so loss is part and parcel of our game. So there is nothing to worry too much. Positionally, the trading is okay. Because Monday I said, when 24,975 is crossed, market is long. Although markets have been very, very volatile, on a closing basis, so everyday market is closing higher. And now, Nifty closed decisively above 25,000. I think it closed around 25,150, 150 point higher. This is a fresh intraday all-time high. This is a fresh closing all-time high. European and US futures also turned positive. So by looking at all these things, usually I say, on the way up, 25,000 was a big resistance last time. So once it has crossed it decisively, that 25,000 become a support for the next leg of the rally. So probably for the September series, with today, August series is over. For the September series, maybe 25,000 to 26,000 may be the range. 25,000 may be a good support. And the markets are bullish, no doubt about it. But Bank Nifty was, not doing well actually. Though India VIX has come down slightly, that is a nature on the day of expiry, because the people will be shifting the position to the next month. And the December options, throwing some surprises. Call premiums are all shooting up, but put premiums are not coming down. So that is the nature. In India, 95% of the option traders, they trade only strangles. And I tell you, the strangle is a very, very dangerous strategy. You go and check Nick Leeson, type in Google Nick Leeson story. So he did strangles in Japanese market, and he lost about $4-5 billion. Not, of course, not his money, his employer's money. Strangles are dangerous because when the market shoots up, call premium will shoot up like 50 rupees, 100 rupees. Put premiums will come down by 3 rupees, 5 rupees. So that is exactly what has happened in December series. So anyway, our markets are like too bullish. When FIIs sell, DIIs are buying. When DIIs sell, FIIs are buying. So one or the other institutions keep buying, and the market keep making, higher and higher. And despite Bank Nifty is still not doing well. And Bank Nifty is still more than 2,000 points away from its all-time high. If that 2,000 point were to catch up, that alone can take Nifty to maybe another 400 point, the Nifty can go easily to 26,000 very, very easily. So anyway, for the month of September, I'm keeping a bullish view, and maybe October when it comes, we will see. There are some political things may come, and Haryana state election, Kashmir state elections, results will be done on October 4. And moreover, October is a 5-week series, so we will discuss. That's too far away for we are short-term traders, right? So I gave you some strategies like a put calendar. I gave some call ratio, but call ratio you don't make profit when the market goes higher. In the short term, when the market has to go lower for you to make money. Only in the medium term you make money. So anyway, for one expiry, August expiry, started with the 24,400. The first trading session itself, it was 24,800, and in the remaining 19 trading session, it has a 300. One first trade 400 point up, remaining days 350 point up, and Nifty closed decisively above 25,000. So anyway, the remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.